Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI and I want to show you this beautiful bag set by MATEIN. It comes with this nice bag as well as a makeup bag, and you can use it here on your shoulders or you can use it as a crossbody. And I can tell you that I've been using this for a while and I use it with really heavy stuff and it still works great. I haven't had any issues with it. So it's a very comfortable strap. There you go. That's how it looks in crossbody and just as comfortable. You can also adjust this, make it longer. And let me show you some of my favorite features about this bag. This bag is made with this beautiful faux leather material and it has a lot of gold accents, plenty of compartments on the inside. So if you want to be super organized, this is the bag for you. You have this great microfiber place to put your laptop, it's super soft and squishy. You have this nice makeup bag that comes that organizes all of your things in compartments. My 15-inch MacBook Pro fits perfectly along with a mouse and some folders for work. And I still have plenty of space for other items. I also love that I have a pen slot. I also love this retractable key cord that you get because it makes it super safe and convenient to pull out your keys. And I also have this little charging port on the side where you can plug in a charging bank. Even with everything in here, it still stands upright and doesn't fall over. So I am in love with this bag. I'm so happy with it. I think you're gonna love this bag set. Whether you need a bag for a big laptop or you just want a nice purse to tote around all your stuff, I highly suggest this one. It's really well made. It has so many compartments and they've really thought of everything, even things you maybe didn't think you needed. So I highly recommend this bag, but that's just my point of view.